Hey guys, Jacob Dupre here. This is the Roland GO keys. It has 61 full-size touch response keys and 10 pads. Let me show you the pads. So right now it's set where the bottom row is pitch bend. So the farthest to the right or left will give you a whole step up or down for a bend, so a pitch bend. Then the one right next to it will give you a half step bend. And of course the ones on the left do the same, but going down. The top row of red buttons will give you pitch bend, but also another effect on top of that. It has over 500 sounds, and the categories include piano, organ, strings, brass, drum, bass, synth, and guitar. So in the piano section, of course, you start with a great stage grand. You get organs, strings, brass section, drum. Of course, you get a lot of acoustic kits, but you also get, like, you get a brush jazz kit, but you also get various dance kits as well. You can record yourself with this keyboard, and the way that works is each category of instrument is like a separate track. So if you record something in the piano section, that's one track. Then if you want to lay down a bass line, you go to bass and that'll record another one. If you want to go to synth, all that. So you could add as many as 8 different parts all at the same time. I've already pulled up a recording that I've done. It's easy to do if you want to pull up stuff you've already recorded. If you go to setting and you go to song load, and it'll show you song 1 MIDI, song 2 mid, song 3. So I pulled up number 2, which is something I've already been working on. And I've already laid down a bass, a drum part using one of the dance kits. So now what I'm going to do is record and lay down this bass, and it's called the Gladiator. Gladiator bass. A fun thing to explore on this keyboard is the loop mix function. So if you click loop mix, now you're in this category of all these pre-made beats and loops that you can play around with. And the keyboard's designed to allow you to control different loops and bring them in. So you can see there's actually right here on this part of the keyboard, there are little words that'll tell you what each key does. So from here to here will control your drums. Then the B right here is the off switch. So if you have a beat going, then when you press the B, it will shut off that loop. Same thing for here, but it's for bass. And then that's off. Part A, this is always drums, bass. This is usually some type of other instrument, some kind of accompanimental texture kind of thing. Here's part B. Right? And then in the last part, you have part X, but actually the C is the off. Here's one called Trad Hip Hop. It also has Bluetooth, so you can connect it to your smartphone or tablet, and it's only 8 pounds, so it's super easy to take around and make music anywhere. This has been a quick look at the Roland GO keys. If you're interested in this product, you can call your Sweetwater sales engineer and they'd be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.